Manufacturing sales is a global industry with a projected value of $13.2 trillion in 2024. Field sales teams play a crucial role in connecting manufacturers with clients, driving revenue, and building lasting business relationships. Technology has revolutionized field sales, and Twib stands out as a top sales tracking app for Android. Let's explore how Twib transforms the manufacturing sales process. Manufactured goods go through a journey from production to customers, and field sales teams play a critical role in this process. Manufacturing sales presents unique challenges, including large-scale transactions and diverse sectors. The complex supply chain, international sales intricacies, and evolving market trends pose challenges in manufacturing sales. Twib is the sales management app that can effectively navigate these hurdles. Twib offers robust features such as an expense management system, vital for tracking costs in manufacturing sales. The order and collection feature simplifies logistics by tracking orders, deliveries, and payments. Twib addresses challenges faced by field sales teams with dedicated features for remote attendance and task assignment. The lead and client management system ensures no potential sales opportunities are missed. Twib's field sales GPS feature enables real-time tracking of field sales representatives, enhancing route planning and accountability. This feature increases efficiency during field visits. Twib is more than just a sales tracker. It is a comprehensive solution for field sales teams in manufacturing. It has the potential to revolutionize and streamline the manufacturing sales process. Field sales teams play a critical role in manufacturing sales, facing various challenges. Twib, as the best sales tracking app, addresses these challenges, making the industry more efficient and effective.